see all the fallen branches from the trees left beside the road, ready to be burned for the fate of the summer season had arrived, season of dismay. Oh, I can see all of the shapes in the corner. I could levitate the sun to climb over the lead lights, all were like headlights over this arch of mine. I can see all the mounted lemons by the trees from the cemetery. Skipping on the lane was the sun from the farthest place that I had been since I came away. Oh, I can see all of the shapes in the corner. I levitate the sun to climb over the lead lights, all like headlights over this arch of mine. See all of the shapes in the corner. I levitate the sun to climb over the lead lights, all were like headlights over this arch of mine. I can see all the fallen branches from the trees left beside the road, ready to be burned for the fate, for the summer season had arrived, season of dismay. Oh, I can see all the mounds of lemons by the trees from the cemetery. Skipping on the lane was the sun from the farthest place that I had been since I came away. Oh, I can see all the fallen branches from the trees left beside the road, ready to be